Hi guys, and today we're going to play. Never mind. So we're going to play some popping games where we pop some light reds and we save the greens. So I'm sorry that I didn't post for a long time. So this is my brand new post. So I failed. Okay, I forgot. I did watch Tyler and Snowy play this and I forgot how to play it. Okay, I never did. Okay, that will work. Again, why is it? Sorry, I forgot my line. And I accidentally played this. Sorry. I was meant to hit level 5. Okay, why? Okay. This is the hard part though. I don't remember any of this. Okay, I remember this. Never mind. So yeah. This is my brand new post. If you guys don't know, I stopped playing Among Us. Yeah. Okay, I accidentally play level 4. Okay. So yeah. The video is quite long. I never did a long video before. So this is my first time. And yeah, the blue ones are neutral in this game. So yeah, you can pop them, do whatever you want with the blue ones, and you can just pop them. You can't lose. But the green ones, you can lose if a green one falls or yeah, falls. So I know this is quite hard to think, but yeah. Never mind, sorry. But I watch someone named Cory play Shuriken Cut, and I don't have that on my tablet since I'm recording. I recorded this on my tablet. So yeah, I guess I never got to post any videos again because I had family league, but the video's almost over, and yeah, that's what I'm going to say. But yeah, if you guys don't know this game, yeah, I'll just not say it anymore. But goodbye guys.